Hey, good morning.
It's another day at Disneyland.
Today's a special day because today we're going to be having breakfast at
Goofy's Kitchen. We have a reservation to have breakfast at that nice buffet over there.
We're going to go check it out. We're going to go have breakfast with our buddies over there. But first we're going to hop on a couple of rides. We're here at Road Drop. A bunch of people already walking up, you know, trying to get their morning started with a couple of rides.
22 minutes.
Before Road Drop?
Yes.
Oh, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
We were talking about, on the way over here, we were talking about how we wanted to
rise?
Yeah. Should we do it? I don't know. What do you think?
Everyone's doing it.
Yeah. I think if we want to do a rise, we should go through Frontier.
Can you see that? Is it focusing?
It's amazing how much smaller the castle is here. Yeah.
So you think we're going to wait 25 minutes on
I think
rise?
from the point we get in line to the point where they ask us how many is in your party, 25.
Oh, okay. You want to tie it?
This is blasphemy. This is madness.
Already.
He's supposed to be in the ride.
He's getting ready.
Oh no, he's not in this ride.
So our mission is to go here, destroy this, and destroy that.
Is everyone assembled? Good. Should we get from prep?
You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you. We'll need it on the bridge.
So if you're coming to Disneyland in the next few weeks or during the summer, they are going to have Hungry Bear restaurant closed. The bathrooms will be closed. An entrance to Galaxy's Edge will be closed. So,
This whole area.
oh, and Haunted Mansion's already closed, and Winnie the Pooh, so. Can we get cookies today?
Yeah, are they selling them right now?
No, at 10.
Let's get them later.
I can smell them. We're gonna try Pirates?
Let's do Pirates. I want to do Pirates.
You do?
Uh-huh.
Okay, let's go. Before we got off, I started feeling like lightheaded. So Rice Krispies is always the way to go.
Look at his head.
I don't even. I want nothing to do with that. We have 5 minutes till our Space Mountain Genie Pass. So we're gonna head over.
All the vehicles are out this morning, all loaded and bringing people inside the park. My cheesy stuff. So we already hopped on a couple of rides and we're on our way to Roger Rabbit right now. Catch our last ride before we go eat this delicious breakfast.
I know, I'm so excited. It's a buffet, so.
So your boy about to look fatter after this.
Hey, stop it.
Holy smoke, rat!
Come to check them out?
Because look at all these bills in here. Hey, wait a minute. I don't know anybody named Bill.
My honey bunny Roger sends the cutest letters.
Look at Goofy's.
This Goofy.
He's so goofy.
Goofy, but what about Minnie? What is she gonna say?
Have you seen Mickey today? She's pristine and ready to go.
Oh boy, Chip and Dale sure have a fun treehouse.
Ready?
We're trying to get a ticket for this movie, but they're on break right now, so
Yeah, they're on break.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to get that ticket
It
for that
says
movie.
Huey was here and Dewey and Louie.
All I know is that if Mickey found out these guys were taking these long breaks, they get fired.
Out. I don't like ears because they're uncomfy, but look at this. Wow.
You can get your fresh fruit and vegetables right here. Good Boy Market. Get some ABC soups. You can get some woodchuck cookies, some wholesome goals.
Silly Sugar Symphony. I like it.
And if you want to meet Minnie or Mickey, it's going to be either a 30-minute wait for Minnie or a 60-minute wait for Mickey. Mickey didn't borrow his car for the day. You know, my car broke down, so take it around for a quick spin.
Please remain seated though, folks. I'll let you know when it's okay to stand up.
Popcorn parts are rolling out.
Popcorn snacks are ready to go, ready to be consumed. So we just got dropped off in front of the Emporium. Now, fun fact about the Emporium, this is the biggest store in the Disneyland park. I'm pretty sure I knew that, but I just heard the guy say it, so I'm repeating it again. So we finally made it to Goofy's Kitchen, but we gotta wait a couple more minutes because our reservation isn't until 11:35 and it's 11:20.
It's fun in there. They're over there throwing their napkins around.
So cool.
Oh my god, I see them in there. Stop looking. I don't want to look.
Okay, let's go. Now, if anyone wants to reserve a spot here, it is $52 per adult. If you do have a magic key, they do give you a magic key discount with it. And it is a buffet, so if you guys are wondering what kind of food it is, it's a buffet. They have all kinds of different breakfast items that you guys can put together. What you cooking in there? We got Goofy in there cooking in the kitchen right now.
That's a pizza.
Hey, what's up, Goofy? How you doing?
His are better.
No, they're not better.
Do you have any of him?
I do have some of you. I got one of you in the bag. Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the pin book. Should have put it on.
Sorry.
Oh, now you made him sad.
Aw, sorry.
Maybe next time we'll visit you and then
Next time I'll have it. Next time I'll have a whole collection of just Goofy pins. How about that? Yeah.
we'll do
He told
that.
me earlier he's gonna have a tattoo of you on his face.
Oh yeah, definitely. Right here on my arm. Be a part of the Goofy gang. You know what I mean? Definitely. Yep. Me. Yeah. You know I'm Goofy. You brought that out of me.
Out of you, yeah.
For sure. So we made it inside, and these are all the drinks that they have. Unfortunately, I don't drink. What are you gonna get?
I don't know, I'm gonna look around. This is dessert, this is pizza.
There goes the famous Goofy's Pizza right there.
Hi!
What you get on your plate?
I got a Mickey pancake, a Mickey waffle, French toast, a slice of bacon, potatoes, and scrambled eggs.
Wow, that's good.
Yeah, yours looks good. How am I doing? I'm okay. Yeah, I'm enjoying this food. It's really good. Super good. Yeah, I saved my appetite for it. Aw, thank you.
Thank you, Minnie.
So Goofy has his famous peanut butter and jelly pizza here. I wasn't gonna grab it, but I grabbed it and we're gonna try it. Very non-chewable.
It's probably just for cartoon characters only. I like it.
It's good. It's just the bottom is very hard to chew.
But if you like peanut butter, it's good. It has the full taste of peanut butter with a little bit of jelly.
It's so adorable. Oh, you like my pin? It's all like Sleeping Beauty stuff. We don't have any.
I don't have any of
Maybe in the
yours.
pin book.
I do have a pin book with some pins of you. Yeah. Yeah, I know I have
Yeah,
one.
no, we do have one.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. It's in my other lanyard, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
I think he liked you.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I forgot my other
Do you want
lanyard.
to see your collection? Got a collection going on. But we swear we have one of you.
We do. Yes, we do.
I swear.
Next time we come back, I'll show you, okay? Yeah, we'll show you. Thank you so much. You're the best. Thank you. Bye.
Why do we keep doing that? We don't have pins of the people we meet. I am gonna go get more food since we're here.
Hey, what's up, kid? How you doing, bud? I like your little outfit. You help Goofy back there? Make all the food? No? You let him do it all alone, huh? Yeah, there you go. That's how you do it.
I'm back with my food.
Oh, what? What you got? You got
Chicken, salad,
some
mac
mac
and
and
cheese. Yeah, I'm getting full. Cool.
That's a no-no, huh?
It's like my
Why is she
third
even here,
plate.
huh?
It's my third plate though.
No, she's been eating.
My pocket? You want me to put the food in my pocket? I'm just gonna throw this in the
Right?
bag.
That's it. Only geniuses
Do it.
think of stuff like that.
Just because he said it. Okay.
Yeah, put it in there and
I'll hide it then. My leftovers will just throw it in the bag.
we won't even say that you told us to do it. Yeah, won't get you in trouble.
But if I get in trouble, then it's another story. Okay.
All right.
I believe you.
All right. Thank you, Chip. You have a good one.
Wow, you have a big old nose in the camera. Big old nose.
Pluto, you being a good boy? Yeah.
He's being a sous chef. He's a sous chef.
There you go.
He helps them in the kitchen.
You're my favorite, Pluto. Thank you so much.
You really are his favorite, though.
Bye. Pluto's
So even though he's full, he did get dessert. Cookie and a cinnamon roll?
They cut it in little 4 pieces because they're so big.
Oh, okay. Yeah, it's cookie. It's like Cinnabon.
little bit. There goes Dale over there getting his trumpet by the manager. Probably told someone to steal food too. What did you get?
My last final plate. I'm gonna hazelnut beignet and a chocolate cake.
Oh, that looks good.
Hazelnut beignet.
I have a stitch.
Alright, put it in Minnie's hand. We'll let Minnie be the show.
Okay, we'll let Minnie do it.
Minnie, you give him barrel. There we go.
Thank you, Minnie. Thank you so much.
Woo, picture it.
It's great when we get the picture with characters. Yep. You want me to save stitching you for later? Oh, yeah. There it is. You did it awesome. I love it when my friends can help me picture.
Thank you, Minnie. We just got done with Goofy's Kitchen and it was fun. Had a good time.
It was a blast. I know I'm an adult, but it was so much fun.
But now we're about to hop on Matterhorn. We got a fast pass for 2:30 and it's almost 2:30 right now, so we're about to just hop on that real quick. Her back is hurting.
No, I did not say that. I said my back might hurt.
Oh, okay, never mind.
No, we got the less bumpy side, so. To infinity. I think me and that one look alike down there.
You want this one?
Yeah, watch. I used to always get this.
So we just got done with Star Tours and we're gonna try out this pickle lemonade they got right now.
So at Refreshment Corner, you can get a pickle lemonade. It has Sprite in it. And a pickle. Alright, it's not that bad. I like it. It's looking like pickles.
Yeah, it's good if you like pickles. I can kind of understand, like, if you don't like pickles, you don't like this. I don't think you will.
Because it tastes like lemonade, but then it tastes like pickle after.
Final rating.
Final rating, 6 out of 10.
Okay. I give it a 7 out of 10.
We're going to the party, guys.
right?
26 cookies.
What are the rights?
No, we're gonna do it all those cookies.
Eat them. So we got a coffee. You know what goes go to coffee? Churro.
Sure. Okay.
Churro. Mmm.
Yeah, it's like 7:30 in the park right now, and it's so packed, and Fantasmic is about this time.
So we're just gonna head over to California Adventure. We haven't been there, so we're just gonna chill in Cars Land.
I figure it'd be less crowded than it is here because it's really packed today, and I just hear everyone in the park complaining on how packed it is.
They might tell us something.
There she is.
Do you like it?
I do.
I'm gonna be your conductor. Everyone's kind of tired today. Nobody's really doing it. No.
You do it.
Life could be a dream.
There you go, there's more people. There you go, there's everyone. So now we're gonna head back to Disneyland and see if we can catch the fireworks show for a little bit. You know, I know we already saw it, but let's see if we can catch it from a different angle this time.
Hey guys, our camera died, so this is the end of our video, but hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Peace.